Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's continue to discuss the situation on the euro currency. As you can see, yesterday market has shown really explosive move to the upside. That's why I continue to talk that the trading environment and to analyze market in current environments in the Euro Union is really the tough task, since all technical analysis currently feels impact by significant news events, some unexpected fundamental information that comes from Euro Union. Probably you know that this move to the upside was mostly due to disagreement on the meeting of Euro Union countries about spending of 120 billion euros on stimulating of economy of the Euro Union. As you can probably know that southern debtors such as Spain and Italy have blocked this decision of creating this bailout plan and spending of this money until northern neighbors as Germany, France will not apply some action on reducing the debt cost of borrowing for the southern neighbor countries, because you know on the current week the yield to maturity of Italy and Spain bonds have risen significantly, so that is not welcome for countries that already feel huge debt burden, and they thought that probably it's better to spend some money on reducing the debt yield than make the inflow the economy and stimulate by this significant amount of money. That has led to this splash on the euro currency. It's in general makes our task even more difficult to analyze what could happen. Definitely that is not just with respect of support that we have yesterday discussed, and currently most things will depend from the technical point of view how market will respond on this splash. We could see something like here. For instance, market has shown some event and then that just the reaction on some news, but then market returns back to the previous price action and totally erase this splash on the market. Another situation is when the investors will support this splash and market could continue move to the upside. So what currently we could see on the daily time frame? First of all, we could see, although Friday's candle hasn't closed yet, but currently at the current moment we have some kind of stop grabber pattern. So you can see that black line is, as we discussed million of times, is break-even point of the trend by the MACD indicator, and you can see that market has tried to trend to the bullish side but failed at the current moment. That is not the stop grabber that I like mostly, since I prefer to see the stop grabbers in the direction of the previous thrust. For instance, initial thrust, retracement, and appearance of stop grabbers in that area, the continuation to the upside. That is my most preferable stop grabbers, but still that is the stop grabber. Precisely speaking, it could be if market will show such kind of close below this line at the end of the trading session. But if market will support this move to the upside, this could turn to the greater ABCD retracement on the weekly time frame. For instance, A, B, C bottom, 100% extension stands approximately in the same area as with this pattern. It's around 128.60 area. That is also could happen if market will support this thrusting move. And based on the daily time frame, it's just impossible to say how it will turn, since this splash just has happened. So we do not see even the market reaction on this. But probably till to the end of the day, we will see some signs of supporting or not supporting by investors this news events that has come from the Europe. And by this action, we probably could make some conclusions on that. You can see also that market has tested the weekly pivot point finally right on the Friday. So on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Market now stands trend to the bullish side on the 4-hour time frame. Market stands in the area of confidence that we have marked as potential area to enter short if we will not see any thrusting explosive move to the upside. But as you can see here, that is not the case to enter short after such kind of strong move to the upside. Market probably has erased this level since the penetration was significant, and market already has hit even the 618 resistance of the whole swing to the downside, but then returns a bit lower. On the hourly time frame, we have some hint of the potential pattern, head and shoulders, but I do not like it too much since we do not have significant thrust to the upside. This head and shoulders pattern is appearing in some such kind of the retracement. It's not at some kind of top. This is just some retracement on the weekly time frame, and we could even say that the most part of this retracement market is forming this kind of the head and shoulders pattern. But still, it looks like the head and shoulders. The head stands at the 1618 extension of the initial swing to the downside, and market now has hit the area that is crucial for the head and shoulders pattern. So if market will break this level to the upside and continue move higher, then this head and shoulders pattern will be failed, since the right shoulder should also stand to approximately the 618 extension of the potential swing down. This is the same as the 618 resistance of the swing, and now you can see that market has hit it already. So if market will turn to the downside, then we probably could say that market has the chances to continue move lower. If market will not hold here and will break this area to the upside, well, in this case we probably could get the greater A, B, C, D pattern on the daily time frames. Could be some stronger retracement to the upside. It will mean that investors will support this thrusting up, this news that comes from the Europe, and probably some kind of the further upward move is possible. It's become possible. So what could we do today? If you're a scalp trader, you have the very strong momentum on the hourly time frame and on the 4-hour time frame. And you probably could try to take the part in this momentum move, because this thrusting bar is very significant. If market will show some retracement inside of it, you probably could try to make the scalp buy trade with the target of the previous highs of this bar against this low. So if market will try to erase this candle, you do not want to see that market will totally erase it. So this is just a scalp trade, how you could stick with this thrusting move to the upside. Well, for the positional traders who trade on the daily time frame, I do not see currently any potential trades and any context for the opening the positions, because I do not want to enter short, since I have significant move to the upside against the current trend, and I do not currently see how market will respond on it. So if we will see the erasing of this candle, that will tell us that probably we should be prepared for the downward continuation. But if market will support this, then we could continue move to the upside. Or at least we should have some patterns to enter on the short side of the market by the end of the current trading session. If it will be the stop grabber here, then we probably could try to enter short on the Monday. Well, at the same time, I do not want to enter long currently by the same reasons as we just discussed. So for positional traders, for traders who trade on the daily time frame, it's better to take the pause and to wait some clarification situation of the market. Because I suppose during today's trading session we will hardly resolve this problem. So that's current view on the market. Be careful and try to do not marry on any position. If you will try to make any scalp trade today, well, trade only based on some definite patterns on the lower time frame, on the 15-minute chart, on the 13-minute chart. For daily traders, probably it's better to stay flat today.